What's the meaning of Bow Street? Bow Street. Bow Street.
Bow Street. Bow Street. Bow Street is a street in the Covent Garden district of London. The street is famous for the Bow Street Magistrates' Court, which was located on the street from 1740 to 2006. The court was the most famous magistrates' court in England and Wales, and many high-profile cases were held there, including those involving Oscar Wilde, Dr. Crippen, and the Cray twins. Today, the former court building is a hotel and the street remains a popular tourist attraction.